I just utilize some of the corporate world tactics in my business now.
Headed to the top, they ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble eye beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. Don't flash it for. I'm on my grind, not no motherfucking fashion show.
Now, as far as like contracts and everything, how did you figure out that part?
Man, and it's so crazy. I made so many mistakes early on, man. I'm like, man, I could have been doing this the whole time. I would have been straight a long time ago. But so with the commercial side, like I said, I come from a sales background, so it's nothing for me to pick up a phone, dog. Like,
Right.
and I saw like one of your videos when I first started out, like, you was like, pick up the phone, and so another guy who like, just pick up the phone. So I was like, oh, okay, so it's just like the corporate world.
Right.
So I just utilize some of the corporate world tactics in my business now. So I found lists, list of companies that kind of make fit for cleaning services. That's what's so, special about our industry. It's like, in a sense, it's recession proof. You can literally, find a niche. They say the riches are in the niches, but when you first starting out, I'm going after everybody.
Right.
So just making calls, man, just making phone calls, finding lists online. You can find free lists online that will give you could type in what kind of business you want to go after. And I'm just thinking about who needs cleaning often, and that's not, residential and commercial, two totally different things. In the commercial, you're not really, rubbing and scrubbing a stove. You know what I mean? It's just providing consistency and, quality cleans to that place. So I landed a couple just off of making cold calls, man. Actually, Friday the 12th was my birthday. And I
Happy
started.
belated.
Thank you, man. Thank you. And I started on that day. I was working my first dental account. So we got our first dental account. So I'm super excited about that. A real nice dental office in West Loop of Chicago, which is a pretty prominent area. The headquarters of McDonald's is right up the street. So we're in a really good area. And for, Cure Cleaning to have a footprint in that area based off of a phone call, that's amazing. And it was just perfect timing. That's all it was. It was perfect timing. I pick up a phone. You get hung up on a couple of times, but you got to have thick skin. You know what I mean? I'd rather take all those no's than to, tell my family no when it's time to go on a trip. No, we don't have it. Or my daughter, no, I don't have it. I can't buy you this toy. So I'll take all those no's. Hang up on me some more. Keep hanging up on me. You know what I mean?
Right.
It don't mean nothing to me, man. I'll just make another phone call. So, but yeah, so I made another phone call. And it was just perfect timing. She was like, "Oh, we've been looking for a cleaning company. How often do you get that?"
Right.
She said, "We were looking for a cleaning company, but we haven't been able to find anybody to come out." Oh, really? So I just did the walkthrough. Didn't know what the hell I was doing.
Right.
But landed it. I think after I cleaned it my first Friday. I cleaned it myself, and I just took a estimate on how long it should take somebody else to clean it. And after my expenses and payroll, paying somebody, and it's a little bit better. So I'm getting a little bit better at bid than at first. Yeah, man. So that was it. That was off of a cold call. It was just perfect timing.
That's what's up. I just got finished telling somebody the other day because they was like, "Well, every time I try to cold call, they hang up on me," and I'm like, "Look, the only difference between you and my lead generation service, that's all we do is cold call, is we just do 1,000 of them a day. Just keep doing. That's it, man. Right. Keep doing it. So
that's why I need it, because I don't have time to make 1,000 calls. That's why,
right.
That's why I'm getting it, man. You will have me very soon. So
okay, all right. So with the accounts that you got so far, are you doing all of the cleaning, or have you hired anybody yet?
Yeah, so I had a team. One of my first, I wouldn't even call it a commercial, but it was a high rise that I had gotten last year, and they wanted us to do a lot of their turnovers. It was a high rise on the north side of Chicago, and I needed people for that. So that was actually, I didn't have anything. You say yes, and they needed it like right away. So you say yes, yeah, we could do it, and figure
Right.
out how to do it later. So,
That's it.
so I said yes. I didn't have not one body, man. So I actually had family, nieces, nephews in there helping me. You know what I mean? Friends. And that's the beautiful thing about our business, man. We could incorporate so many different people in our business. So, but now, yeah, I have a couple of people working for me now. I'm still in the field. I'm not like 100% out of the field right now. I want to be. I'm working towards scaling, you know, and getting to that level where I'm just focusing on the sales and the marketing. But yeah, I got a couple of people, you know, working with me right now. And I would have to say that's the most amazing feeling, you know, ever. It's, you know, the passive side of it. And now I understand why in the beginning it was saying so much about, you know, you got to get out of the field. You know, you got to get out of the field. You get comfortable with making that money, but compared to the money you could be making when you're out of the field, focusing on running the business, yeah, it's no question that's where I like to be. So the passive side of it, when your business is on autopilot, oh man, that's a great feeling. So but yeah, I've got a team. So
thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it.